Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we're doing BoxyCharm. Well, there's something clanky in there. Alrighty. So we are doing BoxyCharm today. And just a quickie, I'm wearing Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lip in Drug Lord with his lip liner in Breakfast and Tiffany's, and I am using the Jawbreaker and Cremated palette for the eyes. Alrighty, so we're going to open this thing up, find out what was clanking, and have some fun with BoxyCharm. Okay, so we have the card, and this month's theme is Sunshine, and I'm not sure how I feel about this box. So there is the box, and dang it, I was hoping for a couple of things. Why is it that the things that I'm like, ooh, I want, because I've seen like 10 other people get it, and then I don't get it? It's not fair. And I've seen like 5 different variations of the base box or something. They all had is it Iconic London? This one doesn't have any Iconic London. I'm a little sad. And okay, so the first one is, yeah, I'm going to be harsh with this one. It is the dry makeup brush cleaner, and it's just a color switch thing. Let's see what it says. Okay, so Lavish, quick. Shit. Okay, so it says Lavish quick color switch dry brush cleaner. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner. God, that's a long name. Dear Lord. You can quickly remove powdered pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. Yeah, so there's nothing super special. It's cost $17. Okay, hang on. I gotta grab something. Okay. This is the one that I have. I got this at Dollar Tree. I've used it several times since I purchased it, which is why you can see some of the colors. I had another one that I used for like 6 months. No, I'm being over generous. I used it for probably about 3 to 5 months, somewhere in there. I know I purchased it pretty early this year, like in January or February, so well, maybe it has been 6 months. But I purchased one, and I just purchased this one to replace that one, because after a while you take the brushes on it and you do it so many times, you start breaking some of the little stuff. So maybe this $17 one will last. Alexa, what's 17 times 6?
17 times 6 is 102.
Divide that by 12.
102 divided by 12 is 8.5. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
This one lasts about 6 months, so for this to be any better, it's gotta last over 8 years? I doubt it. I doubt it. But let's do a test. Let's see if just in general it's better. I mean, it literally feels like the same exact thing. Okay, so I have 2 brushes. They're almost identical, and neither one has color or much color on it. And I'm just gonna go into my James Charles palette. Okay, so you can see it has a blue and purple, and I'm going to use the purple brush in the Lavish one and the blue brush in the Dollar Tree one. Maybe I should have done the same exact color, because I mean, the blue one came all the way out. The purple one, still there. Let's see. So I just used the purple one on the Dollar Tree to get a little bit more color out of it. I don't know. Okay, I really don't like that. Okay, I literally just took the blue one and used the newer one, and it literally kicked up purple pigment into the brush, which I've never really had that issue with the Dollar Tree one. Okay, I actually do not like the Lavish color switch because my Dollar Tree one is 1/17 of the price, and it's never kicked up the color that I took off of a different brush onto a new brush that I'm trying to get rid of the color on that brush. I really don't like that. I'm sticking with my Dollar Tree. Okay, what's the next thing? Alright, so the rest of these, I actually really kind of like this. It's the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I'd like to see how it works. I'm going to do like a picture the first day that I use it, and then like in 2 weeks I'll use this every day and see what the difference is on my regular face. And this is, let's read out the whole thing. The Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So this is the biggest thing I'm excited for. I'm really excited. The next thing I'm excited for is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise. So that's really nice. The mirror is really nice, and then you have the palette, and there's a whole bunch of different tones, which is really nice. I'm saying nice a lot. God, it's fabulous, okay? The Bronze in Paradise Bronzer Palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. And it's $30. So I'm excited. I'm definitely going to use this, try it out. I've been wanting a new bronzer, so I'm excited for this guy. I'm definitely gonna have to try it. And we're going to try all these products. I'm going to clean my face and use all the makeup products today. And then I'll be using this one tonight. And then the next item is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. It's a really pretty pink shimmer. Ooh. Try to see there. That's really nice. It's kind of hard to see. Why is it always so hard to see? So you can see the glitter there. I'm going to have, like I said, I'm going to play with these. It's an interesting product. It's not what I would have chosen, but it's an interesting product. And then lastly, and let's see what they got to say for themselves. Alright, Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, delicate formula is a perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. Alrighty, and then our last one is our Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. Now this one says it's celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit. Wink, wink. A universally gorgeous pink diamond dipped gloss, and it's $15. And yeah, it's just a gloss. Very light, nice and sheer, so you can see that. So I'll give you a few minutes and let me get started with putting this stuff on. But I'm not using the color switch. Sorry. Alrighty everyone, so I went ahead and redid my base. So now I'm going to go in with the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise, and I'm going to bronze it up. I really like this big foofy brush just because it's really easy to like move around all the bristles and everything. And I'm just gonna go in with the lightest shade and kind of build up. Alright, I'm gonna go in with one shade darker. So I'm gonna go in with that medium shade, do a little bit more define. Gotta find the right mix, you know? Got a little bit of definition there, so I'm gonna go ahead and buff it. Now I got this NYX professional makeup brush. in a BoxyCharm, and I really like this one a lot. Thank you, Boxy. Alright, I think that actually went really well, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the other areas. I think that looks really nice. I actually really like this. This went on really well. It's really buildable. I'm going to enjoy this bronzer, which, yeah. Originally I was going to buy a bronzer in like the next week or so, but I think I'm just going to stick with this for right now. I have this one, and then I have my e.l.f. bronzers as well, and they just work really well. So I'm going to play around with this a little bit more before I go ahead and purchase another bronzer. I really like it. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and do some blush real fast, and then we'll get to the eyes and the lips. Alrighty, so I put on my blush, and I used the Morphe Blush Cool Tones palette, the color Sexy, and it's just a nice, like, light peach color, right? That's peach, right? It's really pretty. I like it. It just gives a little bit of color, not too much, not too rosy, and I think it goes really well with the shimmer that's in the Studio Makeup Cream eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and try that. I'm not a big cream person, so let's see if I can do this. Oh, this is pretty. I think I'm just gonna go just all the way across from the crease. I don't know. What do you think? Just kind of a simple, glittery, nice little thing? I don't know. I always feel really weird with cream shadows. Makes my lids like really sticky. Wonder if it would be using the finger that it'll give more shine. I don't know. I don't know how often I'll go to this. Might try it just for like a quick day, afternoon, run to the store thing. I mean, it's kind of pretty, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm still trying. Alrighty, and finally, I'm gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. Just listen to that. That's nice. It feels really good. This is a really nice little pink moment. Alrighty. Yeah, I actually kind of like it. I mean, the eyeshadow, like, I don't even see it when I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm not really sure how well it plays off, but I do like the gloss. It feels really nice. It's really juicy, and I really like the applicator. It's just so big, and it gives you all the product you need. I like this. I'm definitely going to play around with it, do some different types of definition. I think this one's really nice and light and airy. You can always go a little bit darker with the more glam, chiseled look, you know, stuff like that. So I really like the bronze palette, and I will definitely be using the, where is it? It's over here. This is the brightening booster from Clean Skin Club, and I'll definitely be using this later tonight, and I will post on my Instagram stories after about 2 weeks, and I'll show you a before and after and have a little bit of fun with that. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram at A Beautiful Healthy Day. You can also follow me on Twitter, Beauty Health Day. And so that is it. That's BoxyCharm for July 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!